Well, I think it's time we got started. So what I'd like you to do is watch all of the lectures in Case Study 1.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
This case study is based around a local estate agent, and it starts by asking 5 very crucial questions about the business. These questions are answered, and the answers are added to a template, and the template can be downloaded. So you'll get a download of the transcript with the actual answers in, but you also get a download which is a blank fill in the blanks for you to use at a later date for your own projects. So watch each of the lectures, see how I ask the questions, and then watch how I edit those answers by first adding them to the script matrix and then editing the final script ready for a voiceover artist. Once you've watched all of the lectures for the Case Study 1, I'd like you to watch the lectures for Case Study 2, which is for an e-commerce business. Now, I've condensed all of the process that you've watched for Case Study 1. I've condensed that down into just 3 lectures for Case Study 2. I believe that repetition is a great way to learn, but I don't want you to get bored watching the same process going on for 2 different niches when I can condense this all down and help you really embed that information into your brain. So watch all the lectures, all 3 lectures, and then finally the script that's been turned into a voiceover and video at the end of that case study for e-commerce, and we'll be ready to get started on the next step. This is where the rubber really meets the road. I want you to take the blank template, the fill in the blank template that you get with Case Study 1 or Case Study 2, and start to fill in your own answers for your business or for your project. Once you've answered all the questions, you'll be requested to add those answers to the script matrix. Follow the instructions and you'll be ready for the next step. The final step in the process is to edit your raw answers to create a conversational style script. If you want some ideas on how to create your own videos, Section 4 has 5 videos that show you the exact method I use to create slide videos, headshot videos, and where to find a good voiceover artist at the very best price. Now that you've created your amazing video script, you'll be ready to start production on your video and finally see it come to life. By the end of this course, you will be 100% confident in your skills because you'll have seen everything happen in micro detail. I really do go into the finest detail of creating an amazing video script. So enjoy it, practice, use your own business as an example. Maybe practice on somebody else's business and write a script for them. The important thing is that you do practice and you do enjoy the process. The more you do this, the better you will get. I've written over 500 video scripts and no 2 are ever the same. I thoroughly enjoy the process, and to see the final results is so satisfying and so rewarding. And the great thing is, it also will bring you amazing results for your business. More sales, more conversions, and more satisfaction that you did it yourself. Enjoy the process and have fun. And thank you for choosing my course.